I've had a lot of people in the past ask me if I've had this issue with my car. I keep my car in the garage. I've never had to deal with this, and I leave it out in the hot weather for 2 days, and that's what happens. But trust me, we're gonna get this stuff fixed. Welcome back to another Joyride video. But look at this. I know I've showed you guys this already in a previous video, but yeah, look at my door. So now I gotta get a whole new door.
Good thing I didn't drive this, or you would have blamed it on me. I could thumbtack it.
What?
Just thumbtack it up.
Yeah, I think that happened. But this video, we're gonna fix it, or try to fix it. I hope this is gonna fix it. It should. And that side started. And then I'm gonna also glue my insoles on my boots with the same stuff. I'm gonna fix that too. Truck keys, that ain't gonna work. Yeah, there we go. First thing we're gonna have to do, look at all this. That stuff, yeah, we're gonna have to clean all that off. Before we do that, I'm gonna give you guys a little garage update on all the car situations. GT500, the Camaro. If you guys didn't catch the POV video that I did on this car, go check that out. You'll see what I'm talking about. But up at the top of the RPM, she's breaking out. So we're gonna try a couple things. I think first thing I'm gonna try is replacing the spark plugs. Getting the correct plugs in there should do it, but she may need a few other things. I've been told that the jets in the carburetor may not be the correct size. My house is actually starting to look like a tire shop. I've got tires and a rim, tires and wheels stacked up over here. Kind of what happens once you get a tire machine in your garage, you end up accumulating lots of tires. There's Alice. She is the RV of the channel. So we are doing a video series on redoing the RV. So we're gonna renovate this thing. We're gonna just do it in stages, step by step, so we could still utilize the RV at the same time. I know this is like an automotive channel, and some of you guys may not have an RV and maybe can't relate to those type of videos, but definitely check them out, give them a chance. They're actually pretty fun videos. You get a little bit more personal in those videos because it is the RV, and I include my family a lot more in those videos. The Forgotten C10. If you're not following me on Instagram, I did a poll. I'll throw it up here. LS swap versus 350. You guys see where the majority of the votes went on that one. We probably will end up putting the 350 in there to start off. Later on, we're definitely gonna probably swap over to an LS. I'll share the experience with you guys, and we'll have it all up on here. I think I've mentioned it a few times that I have something coming for the truck. I think that's pretty much it on the garage status. So let's tackle this now that you guys got a little garage update. And yeah, that stuff is just disgusting. I'm gonna actually set the camera down. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this and just try to clean it up, and I'll pick the camera back up and kind of just show you guys and explain to you guys what I just did. This is going to be the product that we use. It's 3M. Anytime you go with any type of adhesive product, I highly recommend 3M. They're one of the best. It's the high strength. I'm guessing this is the strongest one they make. I don't know if they make another one that's a higher strength. 3M also had another brand of spray adhesive that's designed for headliner, but I think that this one might be a little bit stronger. I'm not too sure. I could be wrong on that. But this is their highest strength one. There's also, I think there's a 45, this one's 90, there's a 45, a 60, 70, something like that. I could be off with my numbers, but you guys get the point. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna spray this on here. It says shake, so we're gonna shake it, spray it on here and see what happens. I don't know how messy this shit is, but... sprayed it on there. We're gonna let it set for a little bit, tack up.
I'm on you try. What? On you try.
I don't know how this is going to turn out.
Come on.
Both doors complete. What do you think? Does it look better? What is this kid doing? Yep. Who taught him how to drift?
Me.
Yep.
Doing donuts?
Whoa. Look, he's good though. He knew to stop. So that's one thing about him. That's a 2-year-old right there. Ripping it and a Power Wheels, drifting it, donuts and everything. He's a good driver actually. He doesn't, if he comes close to the vehicles, he knows to stop and he's good. Are you showing them how to drive? Mm-hmm.
You want to give him a helmet?
Kind of got it fixed. It's not 100%. It's not to the level that I would like it to be at. It's got a little bit of waviness to it. There's a few imperfections in it. It's not completely perfect. I don't really know how to describe it, but it looks like it's got a little cellulite in there. It's definitely a lot more gooder than it was before. So, I mean, I'm happy with it. We'll just basically see what happens, how it holds up. Not ever used this stuff before. I just picked it up at Walmart. We got the door panel fixed, but yeah, it's just like, my luck lately has been terrible. So as soon as we get that fixed, it's just like one issue after another. Right after I got back, or it wasn't even after I got back, it happened while I was in Ocean City for Cruise Week. The car just started acting a little funny, so there's some other issues going on with it, but that's a whole other video too. So I'm not gonna get into it. To be honest with you guys, I haven't even really figured out what's actually going on with the car, but we'll get into that in a completely different video. I want to apologize because it has been 2 weeks since I posted a video. There's been a lot going on, and if you haven't caught, it was a video that I posted it's been probably a month ago now. I basically explained a lot of stuff that's going on kind of off YouTube, you know, more like personal stuff. I did post a video kind of explaining a lot of that. If you caught that video, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna get into it in this one. We have a lot of content, I just haven't had enough time to do it. You know, I've got RV renovation vlogs. I've actually filmed a lot of videos. I just haven't had time to edit them, as well as C10 content. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.